It's been a productive activity-filled day today.
I started my day jogging this morning, went to gym for a quick workout, had several meetings, and went to the grocery store to buy my necessities. But what makes it challenging is that we are all doing this during the pandemic.
It's a good thing. I have my Coppermask that protects me every time I step outside. In order to keep the mask in optimum condition, here are the care instructions we should do after using it. The mask is washable and reusable for up to 30 days. Simply wash the mask and filter using tap water and mild hand soap. Do not rub and crumple the mask and filter as you wash it. Use gentle hand washing motion. After washing, air dry the mask. Do not let it dry under direct sunlight. Do not iron the mask nor the filter. Each filter is good for up to 2 washings only. Follow these simple guidelines to take care of your Coppermask. Stand out with Coppermask, the mask of the stars.